Hello, go back to our channel, and here we are going to work on the other part of the question on this mechanical drawing. Here question B says that we should draw end elevation in direction of arrow E, and question C says that we should draw sectional front elevation on plane ZZ. This is plane ZZ, so this is the plane. It goes like this, it goes like this, and to the other side. Now, since we are asked to draw this of the views in first angle orthograph projection, I'm not going to draw the end elevation now. So I'm going to work on the sectional view now. So that's what I want to do. So you don't have to worry yourself. You can answer either anyone that you can do first. So you can do that for bet. I've started with the plan. As we're asked to draw the plan, we have drawn the plan. So I want to work on question C, which is the sectional front elevation on plane ZZ. So I'm going to do that, putting it here in the front elevation. Just looking at this paper, that this paper will be enough for this work. Okay, what can I do? I can do something. So let me quickly do that while I pause the video. Okay, so let's remember that we are given a scale to use, and the scale is 3:2, which means that each dimension that we have on this object, we are going to multiply by 3/2, and whatever we get is what we are going to make use of. Okay, so let's work on the front elevation. So for the front elevation, I don't have to take the measurement of the length again, or sectional front elevation. So we are going to cut this. We are still making use of this length 100, but we are going to multiply by 3/2, so which I've already done here. Alright, so I'll just project this up. That's what I'm going to do. But the height now, the height, I think that's where we are going to do this work, because according to what we are given here, so this line, it doesn't have a, okay, all right, so sorry, so we are told that distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. From here to here is 10 millimeters. So this 10 millimeters, I'm going to add it with this 50, so that will give us 60 millimeters. And then so for this semicircle here, for this semicircle that we have here, so looking at what we have here, I can see that it's as if the radius of this is not given. But looking at what we have here, I think we are going to use so the radius from here to here, we are going to use 20 millimeters. Okay, yeah, 20 millimeters, because from here to here is 10, from here to here is another 10, so which means that from this point to this point is 10, and from here to here, that's 20 millimeters. So which means the total height is 10 plus 50, that's 60, and 60 plus 20, that will give us 80 millimeters with this part here. So we have 80 millimeters. So if I multiply 80 millimeters by 3/2, and that will be giving me 120 millimeters. So I'll be having 120 millimeters. So we are working on the front elevation, so I need to make sure you can see it very bad. We need to, for the length, we are going to draw a vertical line from this point. That's for the length. I've already done that, multiplying that with 3/2. That's 100 times 3/2. So I've already done that already, so I don't have to do that again. So I just come up a little bit, and then I will draw horizontal line. Here I will draw horizontal line like this. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 120 millimeters. So okay. So we take a measurement of 120 millimeters from here. So 120. So this is 120 millimeters here. Okay, so we take that. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line from here. I will draw a horizontal line. Okay, so like this. Alright, so so next thing that I'm going to do excuse me, so is that I'm going to, so I need to get this shape out, and to get this shape out, but we are cutting it and we are removing this part. We want to see what we have left here. That's what we want to do. So what I have to do now is that so I need to project the, so I need to draw this distance here. I need to project it. So just let me come up like this. So here I take this up. Okay, so and also, so this point also I will draw a vertical line here. So here also I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so then, so coming here, so I've already drawn a vertical line for that. So the next thing that I'm going to do here, so I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters. That is this 10 here plus this 50. That's 60 for me to get this level here. For me to get this level, so that's what I want to do now. So I will take 60 millimeters up. 60 millimeters up. So this is 60 millimeters multiplied by 3/2, and that will give us 90 millimeters. So this is 90 millimeters here. So here I'm going to draw horizontal line. So here I will draw horizontal line. Alright, so with that horizontal line that I've drawn, so I need to get a distance from here to here. I need to get this point here. So distance from here to here is 20 millimeters. So plus this 10, making it 30, and 30 times 3/2, and that is going to give us 45 millimeters. So I'm going to take a measurement of 45 millimeters. I'm going to do it at this end here. 45 millimeters. This is 45 millimeters here. Okay. So with this 45 millimeters, so okay, so I don't have to draw a line. I just need to join this point. So this point here, so we join together with this point. So for us to have that particular surface, so I will join this together like this. Okay, so we join that together, and then so another thing that we have here, so we are going to see a line at this point here. So by the time we cut it, we see a line that goes in. So that is what this is, from here to here. From this point down is 10, and 10 times so that's going to be 15. So I have to take a measurement of 15 millimeters down from here. 15 millimeters from this point. So this is 15 millimeters. So here I will draw horizontal line from here to here like this. Okay, so then another thing that we are going to see here, so another thing that we are going to see here is that we are going to see this semicircle here. So this semicircle, we are going to see it as a curve. It's going to give us a curve, and then we have it within this part here. So, and as we have it, this is 30. So 30 by 2, that is 15. I need to get the midpoint. So here I'm going to draw a vertical center line. Okay, then I will also take 30 millimeters down. 30 millimeters down. So 30 millimeters. Is it 30? Okay. Okay, that will be 15. So I will take 15 millimeters. Okay, so distance from here to here is, that's 20. So 20 by, okay, from here to here is 10. So that's 15. So that will be 15 millimeters. If I multiply 10 by 3/5, that's 15 millimeters. So here we have 15 millimeters. So just for me to get the midpoint of that, so this is the midpoint. So then I'm going to take my compass. So I'll take my compass. taking my compass, I put at this point. Okay, so touching this point here, sorry, I put at this point, so it touches this point here. So then I'm going to draw a semicircle. Okay. Alright, so we have that like that. So the next one that I'm going to do here is for me to get a curve on this part here. So for me to get a curve on this part. So then so we have the midpoint here. So total distance from here to here is 60. So 60 by 2 is 30. So we have 30. So I'll just draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this. So then I'll put the midpoint on my compass here like this. So it touches this point. So alright, so I can go on and draw a semicircle like this. So we are going to have a curve like this here. So any other thing that we need to put here in the front elevation, I think nothing else. So all this part that are solid, so we have to hash them. That's what we are going to do next. But before that, we need to make this line. So a thick line down here, and also so make this a thick line from here to here. Also this line, so make this line a thick line, and then this line also is a thick line from here to here. Okay, so this line, so we are going to see this line as a thick line from here to here. So also this line, we also have it as a thick line. Okay, then this line also, so draw it as a thick line. Alright, so now having this, the next thing that we are going to do is to hash the solid surface of it. So we are not going to hash this part. So we are not going to hash it. We are not going to hash this, and we are going to hash because this has become a solid now. So we are going to hash this surface. So it's a very large surface. So I will just take it like this. Okay. Should have started from here. Okay. So when you are arching, you have to watch it very well. So just one part. So nothing is demarcating them. Everything is one part. So we are going to arch in the same direction. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so this is the sectional front elevation as we asked to draw. Is as simple as I've done it. Say thank you and God bless you. Let's meet on the end elevation. Thank you.